Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to try a new recipe and it is very simple. It is raw dandelion power balls. So let me see what I've got. I've got about 12 flowers, dandelion flowers, and we want only the yellow petals, so you don't want any of these green bits because they are really bitter. So I'm gonna get rid of this and just get the nice yellow bits. You want to squeeze half of the lemon and get zest as well from half of the lemon. And then I've got a coconut here, some organic honey. You can do whatever you like. You can make like a maple syrup or something else, any sweetener of your choice. And we will need also 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and with the coconut you need about 120 grams. You need to put everything into a blender and combine it together, make a nice dough, and then you just make nice energy balls and see how it goes. So let me have a go. Okay, so here we go. We've got the flowers and zest from the lemon in with the coconut. You don't want these bits. These are the green bits which I was talking about. So get rid of these. They can go to compost. And I'm gonna get the juice from the lemon. And yeah, the zest is already there. You don't want this white bit, you just want the yellow bit. The lemon is done, so in it goes. Now I'm gonna add the sweetener, which should be 50 to 80 grams, and just the coconut oil, and combine it all together. Okay, I will try with 50 grams of honey. And here we go. This is the final result. I put some flowers there, some nice roses just for the display. And like a conclusion from me, because I've got a really big blender, so I didn't have enough stuff to make it really smooth. So learning for me, I would double the amount next time to make it nice and smoother. You can see it's not really smooth. I've got still bits of coconut there, but I don't mind because I really love coconut. And maybe I would add more petals for brighter color. But yeah, this is first attempt, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge to chill it for a bit so the coconut oil can harden a bit, and then you can serve it. Enjoy this dandelion inspired wild dessert. Go wild! Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye until next time.